Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: Dropbox Selective Sync Conflict. If you're having problems with fixing your Dropbox Selective Sync conflict, then you are not alone in this issue. It's more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix: airplane mode. Turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to Dropbox and try logging in again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for Dropbox. Open your Play Store and then search for Dropbox. After that, see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using an outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear the app's cache, especially on Android. Here's how. Go to settings and then search apps. Then find Dropbox, and then after you find it, click on it. After that, scroll a bit down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get on to in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app Dropbox from your phone and then try reinstalling it from the Play Store or App Store. This gives you a fresh install with all the latest files, and here you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back your Pinterest account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.